Traveling just makes me feel like a big old grandpa. Just like, oh, my back is aching and my feet are sore. Like, when did I become 80 years old? That's my question. Whoa, that's huge. Can you tell I got 3 hours of sleep last night? This is the biggest suitcase I've ever owned, and I was like, I won't fill it. Nope, I filled it, haven't I? Like, I hope that's not more than 30 kilos, but we won't find out until we're at the airport, will we? How gorgeous is the dark green color? Both of the suitcases, along with the packing cubes that I used, are both from July, so I'll link everything down below. I feel like my life has been changed. I've leveled up, I've upgraded. Those suitcases are heavy. I'm scared. It's not a good start. Just touched down in London town. Hiya. We're officially in London. Tell you what, I think I always forget how long and bad the flights are. I convinced myself, oh, it's not even that bad. Even at the end of the second flight, I was like, oh, it's not that bad. In the middle of it, I was like, I hate my life.
I do the opposite. I convince myself they're so bad that when I'm on, I'm like, oh, it's actually not that bad.
Which I normally do in every other situation in my life apart from flying. I don't know why. Just so long, like Australia is so far away. It's fine. It's fine. We made it. I haven't slept in like 2 days. I think I slept maybe 2 hours, I think. I woke up, I was like, well, and I woke up because they were saying something over the speaker, and my delusional brain thought that they were saying, prepare for landing. And I was like, yeah. I whip up the map on the TV. 11 hours to go. Yep. I don't know why my brain, I think I was really like manifesting sleeping a really long time.
Yeah.
So like I woke up, I was like, I've done it.
And sometimes that happens too.
It's never happened. Oh, it happened once for me. So true. South Korea, I think, got my hopes up.
Yeah.
So like, I've slept before, I can do it again.
Yeah.
No. So we'll be buying something to help me sleep on the way home.
Yeah.
Because that's just like, oh, it's actually awful. Nothing matters anymore because we made it. And life is so good. And there are Christmas lights and trees everywhere.
Like, it's so magical here.
Like, it's not even December yet. And it's so Christmassy outside. I can't believe it. We're staying in Covent Garden for the first like week. And we've literally been here for 5 hours maybe. And we're obsessed with the location. Everything is so close.
And everything that you want is around here.
Yeah. And a tube station is obviously very close by because that's a must. We landed at 6 a.m. this morning and then we checked in and then we just like freshened up and then went out for breakfast straight away because we were starving. We had breakfast at the good old Bill's.
Oh, literally, for starters, right underneath us basically.
Yeah.
Secondly, the setting is literally straight out of a book.
No, it's so cozy. The mood lighting, the furniture, the artwork, like...
And the food.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
We'll be back.
We will be back. Had a great time. And then obviously we walked around and went shopping and then I obviously like did spend money that I like didn't. No, actually, I'm not gonna say I didn't need to because I've been wanting some rings for a really long time and I was hoping that I would find some on this trip and then literally the first day they were here, I found some. So I'm gonna give you a haul. First of all, the lady was so nice and gave us a free tote bag. She was so nice. Like, I'm convinced that we're friends now.
Me too.
Oh my gosh. The bottom of the bag says, you're a special kind of fine. Oh, it's so cute. I really hate going to jewelry stores to try on rings because A, they might not have my size. B, I just find it really annoying. It's kind of like shoe stores as well, like trying on lots of different sizes and like you can't do it without getting their help and I hate asking for shop assistance help. So I avoided at all costs, but then we saw the jewelry store in Covent Garden and I love jewelry. I've worked with them so many times. I wear their stuff all the time and especially buying rings online, I always feel like it's a bit risky. So I was like, we can't just walk past and not go in. So I'm so excited. I got 2 rings. First one, I can't pull the tag off right now, but it's actually 2 rings that are connected. And then when you put it on, it's kind of like a twisted moment. And it's kind of like a really fun little fidgety thing as well as looking really cute. I love it so much. So I got this one for my thumb. And then this is a bit rogue and I wouldn't normally go for such a bold ring, but as soon as I saw it, I put it on, I was like, I think I actually just need it. How beautiful is that? I'm like torn whether I'll wear it every day because I want to have lots of rings on my fingers all the time. And because it's so bold, I'm like, oh, I'm not sure. But how fun is that? I love these so much. Is it giving like daylight ring?
Yeah, absolutely.
Anyway, just Sophie's watching my Instagram story for the 10,000th time today.
It's so funny.
I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. Really just try and stay awake.
We still haven't had showers.
Oh, don't tell them. All of the streets around us just have lights hung everywhere.
No, like,
I love it.
why doesn't everywhere do Christmas like
Like
London?
Australia, you could take some notes.
I think lying down was not good.
I was just about to say, even just sitting, I'm like,
Yeah, like we need to go out and like do something. I reckon we go get some food and then
Primark
to get some basics.
finish each other's sentences. That's what I was gonna say. The way you're just sitting there is quite funny.
I bought a necklace.
Yeah, we really had a great time in Majuri. Like, I think if they had a store in Queensland, it would be bad for me. She's gorgeous.
I love
her. I feel like when I leave the country, I just get to start playing dress up. Like, tell me I don't need this.
I can't do that for you.
Oh. Why is it so cute?
No,
It's like cringe, but like funny and cute.
yeah, no, I'm obsessed with it.
Like,
Anything.
it's just giving you a hug.
Oh, like that is just kindness in a little object.
Like, I should on my bookshelf.
Yeah. We found a little stand of jelly cats in this bookstore, so obviously we're looking at everything.
So
The little arms.
This
A bunny.
This is Somi and I.
Oh,
Besties.
Sebastian and Gavin.
Steve and Gary.
So many cute ones. Why is the octopus cute?
Oh, he's a little smile.
Best friends.
And then, yeah,
Jellyfish bowl. There, well.
Are you gonna get the rainbow?
Like, do I?
Cute colours as well.
Yeah, they're kind of like,
Muted or
yeah, like not pastel, but
yeah.
close.
I love him. Her? Him? Her.
Ooh. Oh, that has to be a girl.
Yeah. For the girls. She's for the girls.
Just for the girls, not me.
Yeah, I think you need her. I know. Oh, look at the chicken. Good. Wow, I'm so glad you love it.
It's good.
Oh.
I am so tired. I don't want to be that annoying person complaining about jet lag, but equally, I am so tired. To be fair, the night before we left Australia, I had 3 hours of sleep because I was just so like anxious and stressed and like couldn't sleep. And then I didn't sleep on the plane. So technically, I didn't sleep for 3 nights. And then last night, I did sleep for 8 hours, but I woke up at 3:30 a.m. So today has been the longest day ever. From 3:30 a.m. to it's currently 11:35. But besides that, I had the best day today. We're staying in Covent Garden and it's just been the best location ever. Everything is so close and I love our area. I love our Airbnb and it's so fun just exploring. Like, we haven't even been on the tube yet and we've been here for a few days. So I'm really loving it. I can't believe how festive and Christmassy everything is. Like, I knew, like I was expecting it, but it still shocks me that like almost every single store anywhere has a Christmas tree in it. Like, oh, I'm so obsessed with it. And it's not even December yet. Like, it's only gonna get better. But it's almost midnight. Me and Bowie are gonna go to sleep. I asked for names to name her on my Instagram story and so many people are saying Bowie, which I love, like Bowie the Rainbow. Someone also said Lenny and I love Lenny or Lottie. Like, isn't she such a little Lottie? I do like Remy as well because it starts with an R and Rainbow starts with an R, but I think she's just such a Bowie, isn't she? Bowie the Rainbow. Oh, I literally love her so much. So we're gonna head to sleep and hopefully, like, I would love to just naturally wake up. Oh, what's the time? 8 a.m. That would be the goal. So we'll see. You'll hear about it regardless because that's why you're here. Watch my vlog to hear me talk about nothing important. Okay, good night. Good morning! I would like to happily report that we did in fact wake up past 8 a.m.
Oh,
Yeah, we're that good.
it's a good day.
Like, you can't stop us.
Very priceless.
Just hugless. What do you mean? We're heading to breakfast. We're heading back. We're having a repeat breakfast because... Whoa.
It's a bit of a lie.
Oh no.
We really came the other day and there was no line, so I was just expecting that.
Our expectations were set and no one's sitting outside because it's bloody freezing. The day we landed, we came to Bill's for breakfast and it was maybe one of the best eggs on toast I've ever had in my life.
100%.
Which, like, sounds like it's not hard to do eggs on toast, but like some just hit really good and some don't.
It's like, it's the perfect toast, it's the perfect egg. cake, it's perfect. Like, every element has to add up to being perfect.
And the coffee was really good.
Yeah, well, the matcha.
Nah, matcha was good. Oh, it's just a win-win all round.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold. Yeah. But I'm in my big grandpa coat. Yeah, Primark just pops off. It really does. Anyway, there's lots of people around, so I'm gonna go. I was trying to think of the next line and I couldn't. I was freezing yesterday and I refused to make the same mistake again. I've put on an extra layer. We've gone with the scarf. I'm not built for this climate. I went into the strip being like, I feel like I'm quite warm-blooded, so it might be fine.
6 degrees.
Top of 6, low of 0. Nice. Shall we?
Yeah.
Could you call the lift? We're all rugged up.
Rugged up and ready to go.
I'm the green, you're the red of Christmas.
Oh, Christmas.
Oh, it's
already
cold. Yesterday afternoon, we were coming back and we got off at Covent Garden Stop and there was a huge line for the lift. Oh, the weather is so good.
There's not a cloud in the sky today.
No, we've had consecutive blue skies and I can't believe it. Anyway, there was a huge line for the lift, so we decided to take the stairs, and I feel like it's a if you know, you know. Didn't realize there was 193 steps at the station, and because I was puffing so hard and then we came to the top and the air was so crisp and cold, I feel like I'm getting sick. Nice. No. So I had the worst night's sleep because I couldn't fall asleep because I was so stressed that I was getting sick and like making myself stressed. So it was a whole thing. So I've had a bit of a late start to the day, but we're heading back to Covent Garden Station. We will be taking the lift from now on. Gonna head to Notting Hill, grab some breakfast, do some market shopping, and then probably head to Hyde Park.
Yeah, we want to rent bikes and bike around Hyde Park because it was so beautiful yesterday.
Yeah.
On the Metropolitan line.
You can see both of them.
Oh, yummy. She's slaying, Your Honor.
Go in.
Go in.
This lighting is weird.
Oh.
I don't know why.
There's people coming. We're trying to get some warmth from the sun.
I don't know why, but I feel like in the last hour it has gotten freezing. Like I was fine, now I'm cold.
I'm trying to eat my donut, I can't feel my fingers.
I can't feel my fingers through my gloves.
Like we are those tourists complaining about the weather.
I'd love to know the degrees right now. Fine, I'll check.
It said 6 this morning.
Yeah, but I wonder if it's lower.
I think you'll be disappointed to know it's not.
No, it's definitely lower than
Okay.
6 degrees right now. It's 6 degrees. What's it feel like? It feels like 4. Wind is making it feel colder.
We're contemplating our plan to ride around Hyde Park.
Just a little bit, just because it'll be windy.
So windy, like we'll just be sobbing.
That my new phone case.
So I've really heard red and gone red.
Like, settle down.
I'm gonna have to add an extra layer tomorrow. And I added an extra one today.
Yes.
At least the tube will be warm.
So true. That is going to be a relief.
There she goes.
Gorgeous day though.
Oh, 10 out of 10. We're gonna go decide what we want to do in the coldest weather.
Walking like this.
You know what? Just the face is cold all the time, no matter what. I'm starting to understand that, like, earmuff.
Oh, an earmuff would be great.
My little ears. Catch you guys later. Good morning. There are 2 girls who woke up at 5 AM this morning just checking in to say hello.
And went to bed at what time do you reckon you fell asleep?
Like, at least past 12:30.
I reckon like 1.
It's actually just crazy that your body does that. Like, it makes sense.
But like, why on tired?
We're heading to the Columbia Market.
Columbia Road Flower Markets, I think, is
Yeah, little Sunday morning flower market moment. Obsessed with that. I'm wearing my pink beanie and scarf. 12,000 steps later, we've made it home. Also, I got my first Blank Street coffee and I really rate it. Thank you, darling. It's good to be home. Those people that ride those bikes around that like really rip you off. My bag's stuck! Oh, I've really come to realize that I get really overstimulated by the clothes I'm wearing. My hair on my neck, my scarf on my neck, my puffer collar on my neck. My hair is just a big fat knot at the back. I just need to... But those people that ride around on those bikes who rip you off but also like looks like such a fun time, they're all playing Christmas music riding around the streets and like it just brings the vibe up so high. I love it. Wow, we had such a good time at the markets this morning. They were so cute. We went to the Columbia flower markets, which are only open on Sundays, and then we walked down into Shoreditch and there was a market in there as well where we got some lunch, did a bit more shopping. I bought a hat. I really love the vibe in Urban Outfitters. Honestly, getting to the UK during Black Friday sales is like been really good but also really bad. But I got this hat because if you've watched any of my recent vlogs, I keep saying I'm trying to get into my hat era and I just couldn't pass this one up. Isn't that so cute? I feel like the color is very flattering on my pink skin tone. I really enjoy it. I also tried to wear a beanie for the first time. I've just never been in a climate that's cold enough that I've needed to wear a beanie. I got this beanie and matching scarf from M&S. I just think I looked like an idiot in it. Whispers is my favorite chocolate from the UK, so I got this for a snack, little dessert. And I also remember these from last time. Get More Vits. I don't actually know what they're called. Mango and passion fruit, like water thing. They taste so good. It tastes like the best tasting cordial you could find. But we're gonna freshen up and then we're going to meet our old Gymshark manager. So I haven't seen her since the last time I was in the UK, so very long overdue catch up. We're gonna go to some Christmas markets and then probably grab dinner afterwards and just spend the night catching up, which I'm so excited about. And this is officially our first like Christmas market experience, like night Christmas market. But I've been on my feet walking all day. All I want to do is sit down. Traveling just makes me feel like a big old grandpa. Just like, oh, my back is aching and my feet are sore. Like, when did I become 80 years old? That's my question. Look how cutie our street is at nighttime. I love it so much. This Airbnb has been so incredible. I'm so sad to leave it in a few days. How cute are the lights? I love it. 5 minutes later, we look like different people.
Costume change.
Christmas market time!
Track of when I've been naughty and nice, and from what I can tell, I've done more good deeds than I've told lies.
As usual, we're ending the night with Old Zoella Vlogmas.
12 midnight.
It's midnight, but we get to sleep in until like 8.
If our bodies allow us.
Last time we were like, bodies, please let us sleep until 8. They did, so maybe
So true.
to just say that.
Please.
Please let us sleep until 8.
I just like would love to just wake up one day soon and look like I have some life in my eyes. Because I haven't since the plane.
My eyes are red constantly.
We did like 18,000 steps today and my feet feel like it.
19,532.
But it's officially the end of our first week in London. Wow. We're heading off to Bar tomorrow and then we have a few more days in London before we're off to our next vacation.
We
so
did
excited.
12.3 kilometers today, just so that you know.
Whoa! Oh, the lights are turned off outside.
This is Romy on a walk.
Romy on a morning walk. Oh, your red phone case is so cute. Okay, we're gonna love you and leave you. Bye, yeah! Bye!